Some of these energy-related things are starting to set up again. They had great breakouts like a month ago or 3 weeks ago, and then they kind of failed. I was in this NRGU, but they're starting to set up again. They're holding, you know, found support on the rising moving averages, and now they're just back into range. OIH, XLE, you know, they look good. Maybe next week they can go sideways a bit more. ADOS, wow, who bought the breakout here? I think I labeled it like 4 stars or something. But man, this is, guys, like, I'm serious. Anyone who ever mentions a sub 5 ADR stock again, I'm gonna ban. These are the stocks you should trade if you have a less than $1 million account. High ADR, 5 plus. 5 is a minimum cutoff. Okay? If you want to waste your time on low ADR stocks, you're free to do so, but please don't share that time waster with us, because it's a waste of time. You could have bought like a, you know, ADR 3 setup that looks good, but it's not gonna go up 65% in you know, a week. It's just not gonna go unless it has some, you know, incredible news or something. This is the reason you stick to high ADR stocks, guys. Tell, yeah, energy sector. Yeah, it looks good. It looks good. It looks ready. It's now building higher lows and getting tighter. Yeah. And like I said, you know, energy looks like it wants to break out. And this is like a small cap stock in energy sector. What's AMC doing? No, come on, go higher. Wish also. Come on. It feels like evil wants to take over the world. Evil won't let us get rich. Well, what can I say? It's a bull market. Don't overdo things. Buy 5-star setup, sell some into strength, trade the rest, and it's all about waiting. If you're still sitting there and fanatically looking for trades right now, you're doing something wrong, because you should already have a solid portfolio. There's been so many micro small cap breakouts this week. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. Even today there were some, and you should already be in all the best or in everything you want to be in. There's no need to look for more trades for the rest of the day, guys. Could have just as well take the day off, every single one of you. Or not take the day off. You should all obviously monitor your positions, but gray. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's a good setup. I like it. Had a big move. It doubled in a few weeks. Orderly pullback, and now it's kind of around the 10-day. Been building higher lows, getting tighter. You know, blah blah blah. The usual stuff. Yeah, there's so many of these right now, and it's a good setup. It is. This thing, you know, breaks out. Could easily make a 30-50% move, maybe even more. ADR. Now think about it. For this thing to make a 30% move, ADR is 14. It's the average daily range. 2 days average daily range. Not a big effort for this thing to make a 30% move, right? Versus someone who mentioned this Accenture. I knew it was going to be a disaster when he actually said the name and not the ticker. ADR 1.2. More than 20 days of average daily range for this thing to make a 30% move. I mean, look at this move here. It broke out of this area here. Look at this move. 12%. Are you going to grow your account with these types of stocks? Or is it a waste of time? Do your own thinking. EVFM. Yeah, another good setup. There's so many. There's so many, man. I mean, there's literally, you could throw a dart. Skills is another one. And yesterday were a lot of like 10 really good ones that broke out. And, you know, earlier this week too, and last week, and the week before there were some, and, you know. And that's a good sign. It's great. It's a good sign. That's what it, you know, what happens in a bull market. That's what you want to see. That's what stocks are supposed to do in a good market. Strong stocks are supposed to go up in a good market. Your job is to find the strong stocks, and then you wait for a good market. You can't control the market, but you can control the setups. You can control the scans, right? Focus on the right type of stocks instead of some random stocks. Well, you know, if you can choose between a slow moving stock versus a fast moving stock, always choose the faster moving. Is AMC green yet? Okay, this is good. It undercut the 10-day again, and it's starting to reclaim. It's not out of the woods yet. It needs to get above 60, 61 definitely. It's not out of the woods yet, but it's still building a base. It's very easy to get started, you know, looking at every single candle. But you know, I think it's gonna be an insane trade. I just can't help myself. As long as it, you know, keeps building a constructive base, which it has so far, I have no doubt it's gonna go to triple digits. No doubt in my mind. Even if Kenny Boy tries to sow some doubt in my mind. But just pulling the weeds out, the doubt weeds. Kenny Boy's trying to plant. Well, no, come on, AMC, come on. Go up, go up, go up. You know what? I'm gonna watch AMC on the monthly from now on. I'm just gonna spend all my time looking at it on the 60-minute. I'm gonna, yeah. Well, okay, weekly. No, wait, AMC. Yeah, I'm gonna watch it on no monthly. Yeah, no weekly. Weekly is good. No monthly is better. Or even better, yearly chart. Yup. Less stress. This is a life hack. VFF, CGC. Okay, I have to go back to the daily chart, guys. CGC. Whoa, wait, there's no setup here. VFF. Okay, that's a good setup. Yep, this is a good setup. Wait, Tilray, SNDL. Wait, I think SNDL had a setup yesterday. Well, it kind of bounced to 50, not my type of setup. Okay, Beyond Meat is strong. CLN is reclaiming again. It marginally took out the lows of the day, and now it's about to go green. So, you know, it just doesn't want to go down. And, you know, it looks so good if you exclude all the other moving average I use. Like, you guys, the only moving averages you really should use is a 10 and 20. And, you know, maybe 50. But you guys, for micro small caps, you really don't need the 50-day. 10 and 20 are the ones. This is, I mean, it looks amazing. BB looks amazing. I mean, oof, damn. High ADR, they're super liquid. You can do a lot of size on these. And which I will do when they start moving. The problem is if they're gonna break out, the AMC will break out too. And I'm gonna be an AMC since that's the highest ADR. Oh, BBS earnings? I don't think it matters. Like, it's a pump stock, you know, it doesn't matter. Like it's not like the people owning the stock are gonna read the earnings anyways. They don't care. It's meme, guys. The earnings don't matter. It's meme. Meme trumps earnings. At least in the short term.